Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on drawing a beautiful campfire. In this step-by-step guide, we shall show you how to create a stunning campfire. Start by sketching the outline of the campfire's shape using a light pencil. Add details to the firewood, making sure to vary the shapes and sizes for a realistic look. Draw flames rising from the center of the fire, using quick flickering strokes to create a dynamic effect. Next, add shadows and highlights to the flames to give them depth and dimension. Use warm colors like red, orange, and yellow to fill in the flames, blending them together for a realistic fire effect. Don't forget to add glowing embers around the base of the fire to complete the look. Now let's work on the logs. Add texture and details using short, curved lines to mimic the appearance of wood grain. Don't be afraid to experiment with different colors and techniques to make the drawing your own. Remember to take your time and have fun with the process. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more drawing tutorials and tips. Feel free to leave a comment below letting us know what should you like to see us draw next. Thanks for watching and happy drawing. Take breaks when you need to and come back to your drawing with fresh eyes.